Everyone, welcome back to Tasha's Long COVID Kitchen. I am Tasha. If you have not seen my playlist, I'll have it linked at the end, and then I'll also link my long COVID video, the journey that I've had with long COVID. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe so that other people can see my channel, help my channel grow. So today we're making vegan chili, and I have done the majority of the cooking off camera because I will have I'll have there some pictures of the process that I go through. So I use dry beans. I don't use beans from the can. And I soak them for a day and allow all the gases to come out. So if you let the gases to come out before you put them in your body, then you have less gases coming out of your body. That's a pro tip. So if you soak the beans, allow all the gases to escape, and then wash them and then soak them another day to finish allowing that process, and then cook them. And then I usually cook my beans for about 7 to 8 hours on low with all of the spices. So I am a big believer in Let Food Be Thy Medicine. And it's a really fantastic documentary. And so we are what we eat. And if you are struggling with long COVID, the diet I have found is essential with the brain fog, the cardiac issues, the GI tract, all of the inflammation in your body. And so I needed to eat particular foods, or certain foods were making me sick that I was eating before, and then I no longer could. And so I took a food intolerance test, and it told me what I could eat. And I've been doing really well. Actually, I haven't had any intestinal pain or anything like that. So hooray for me. And then I did go and play soccer with my son yesterday. We just did goal kicks. So, but still progress, right? And so I'm going to talk about the herbs first, because everyone knows I'm big on the herbs. And we have bay leaves. So go ahead and look up online. Also, I have a video about the research, how to do plant medicine research. And you can find all of these articles, the nutritional benefits online, and the minerals and the vitamins that are inside of each herb and spice, and also what their medicinal properties are, or their medicinal benefits. So bay leaves, and then turmeric, cumin, coriander, black pepper, paprika, and pink salt. So those are the herbs and spices. And then I have the vegetables that will go in. I have potatoes, green peppers, yellow peppers, parsnips, and then mushrooms. And then for the beans are chickpeas, adzuki beans, and black beans. And so again, I cooked all of the beans with the spices for about 7 hours, allowed the beans to soak in the nutrients from the spices, also the deliciousness from the spices. And you just boil in water. And then I'm going to pour in the vegetables, allow it to cook for maybe 45 minutes. You don't want to have all of the vegetables to be very limp. You want them to be crunchy, because the crunchiness indicates the nutrition level. So the more raw towards the raw end you get, the more the nutrients are still there, the more kind of mushy we're taking away nutrients. So make sure that you don't overcook your vegetables or your beans. You have to have just the right amount of time on it. So first time you have to kind of babysit it, and then once you know, then after that you can just kind of let it go. But the first time I always recommend babysitting. So I'm not gonna have you guys stick around for 45 minutes. So I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'll come back on whenever everything's done. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So here's the finished product. It is way too hot for me to try to eat on camera and so that you can see the reaction as if it turned out good or not. I know that a lot of people are like, we need to know how it tastes. I don't know, but it's so, so, so hot, and I've already let it sit for a little while before I even got back on camera. But if it's nasty, and if I could eat this another way, then I would add onion and garlic, hands down for sure. And then some people, if you guys like the vegan sausage crumbles or, you know, something meat like, or if you want to do your vegan like sausage links and then cut them up. But unfortunately, I cannot have any processed food whatsoever. So, and then probably I would add some chili powder and make it spicy, but I can't have any spicy food right now either. So I have to just use what's on my list to make it taste delicious, and I'm just fingers crossed. So thank you so much for joining me for another installment of Tasha's Long COVID Kitchen. Sorry for the lighting earlier. I don't know what was going on with the camera, but it seems to have fixed itself. And I will see you in the next video. I don't know what I'm cooking yet. Sorry. Once I know, you know. Thanks and have a great day.